Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Paul in California on the Stryker SR-447HPC2. Paul, got you ready to go, bud? We did our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic buffer cap upgrade. Ready to go right here on 11 meter. Start with RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Paul set it 2 watts all the way down. That way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 100 watts PEP slug. Hello. Right at 100 watts. Let's roll it all the way up. About 14 all the way up. And this will be fine if you're just going to run the radio. Show your average power swing. Hello. About 42, 43. Peak. Hello. Just a hair under 100. All right, Paul, it's ready to head on the West Coast. I appreciate him. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.